Hey, as you can see, I am so excited about this package. This is my new wig. It's from aprilLaceWigs.com. I ordered it about 2 days ago and it just came, and I am so excited to try it on. So opening the package, of course, is the wig. And also a wig cap. I love these wig caps, they're my favorite, so I was very happy to see it come inside of my purchase. It also comes with a brochure, and it tells you how to take care of your wig. Alright, that's everything that's inside of the box. I really like the texture of it. I love the way that it feels. It's very soft, extremely lightweight, and I love how it flows so effortlessly. Literally, it has so much movement and body, and I just love that about the wig. Like, I could not stop touching it. I also love the fact that there are no permanent parts inside of the wig, so there is a free part silk top closure there for me to part anywhere within the silk top closure. So if I want a side part, I can do that. Middle part, I can do that. I'm looking because I've never seen any wig have a clip right there. That's a good idea because I'm pretty sure that it will lay the silk top flat on your head. I got a lace front wig. There are 3 clips that come on this wig. 1, 2, and 3. And of course, the wig has an adjustable strap in the back for you to tighten it or loosen it to your preference. And the wig also comes with baby hairs. This is how the silk top looks. I love, 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 love silk tops from April Lace Wigs because they look so natural, and if you can tell, the hair is so shiny and beautiful. It has like a natural shine to it. So natural. This hair texture mimics African American hair to the T. As you can see, this is my favorite type of wig caps. I wear them all the time. That's why I was so happy to see it inside of the box. The baby hairs help create a natural looking hairline, especially if you gel those down. It'll look like your natural hair in the front. April Lace Wigs seriously has the best, most natural looking silk top closures that I've ever seen on a wig. And I've tried so many companies, but they take the cake, they take the award for that. They really truly are the silk top experts, like it says on their package. My wig is 20 inches and I am 5'7". As you can see, the 20-inch wig is very, very long on me and I love it. It comes to my lower back. It's waist length actually. very natural fullness to it. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love the fact that it has a natural hairline. This is my old April lace wig. Well, this is the first wig that I bought from them, and it was a light yaki texture. The texture that I am wearing now is a coarse yaki texture. Now it's time for me to cut the lace off. I'm making sure to brush the baby hairs out of the way because I do not want to cut them at all. I want them to stay on my wig. I'm just going to follow the natural shape of the hairline to make sure that I'm cutting the lace properly. This is how the wig looks once I cut the lace off. I love the placement of that middle clip. Again, I've never seen that on a wig before, but I like the fact that it will keep your hair flat in the front, and it'll also make sure that the silk top is as close to your hairline as possible. I just took a flat iron and I flat ironed the hair a little bit to make it bone straight. Now I'm taking a small section, I'm grabbing my scissors, and I'm going to start cutting layers into it to frame my face. Okay, for these edges, I'm going to be using the Organic Root Stimulator Edge Control. I got this from Target.
So, I really care.
It's about time for me to get a new container of this because my gel has dried up. As you can see, it's flaking right now, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep it on. Look how natural this hairline looks. It looks so good. And as you can see, the line of demarcation has a seamless blend into the hairline, which I love. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I am going to do a review video and I'll be posting that soon, so please look out for that. If you are interested in this unit, please click the link down below and it will take you to the website and it'll let you see all the information that you might be interested in viewing. And please let me know what you think about your unit once you get it. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.